What's the meaning of bootee? Bootee. Bootee.
Bootee. Bootee. A bootee is a type of soft, warm shoe or slipper that is typically worn by babies or young children. It usually covers the foot and ankle and can be made from a variety of materials such as cotton, wool, or fleece. Boots are often used to keep a baby's feet warm and protected, especially in colder weather. Some boots may also have a decorative design or pattern and can be given as gifts for newborns or at baby showers. Overall, boots serve as a practical and comfortable footwear option for infants and toddlers.